Hi guys, and welcome to another Sleepy Dog video. This is an update on Lower Copy, $16 million project. As you can see, got all the concrete in. It's 45 foot wide. Sidewalks are in, driveways are in. Big truck parking behind the barricades. So right now we've got this opened up to one-way traffic. As you can see, the sign coming up, I'm driving the wrong way, but no big deal. So the contractor has the dirt between the sidewalk and the curb ready for grass. That should be in a couple of days. Coming up to the first intersection, they're working on that. They should be pouring that concrete tomorrow. And there we have a flagman not paying attention. So we're still continuing down. Everything's looking good. All the driveways are in, sidewalks. Still have to do a little bit of touch up on the fire hydrants and things like that. Here we've got an intersection here. Still need to put the transition in. But as you can see, been a lot of progress since the last video. Still got a few pieces of sidewalk to put in. Coming up here, this is all ready for grass on the left side. Still got some work to do on the right side. And we got a front end loader coming. We've probably got 75% complete, and got dump trucks bringing cement stabilized sand for the tie-ins. And let's see what these guys are going to do here. Still have the grass to go over here on the left. Over here on the right, still got some sidewalk. Now up here we've got a section of concrete right there, and that'll be ready for concrete tomorrow. And as you can see, the concrete's white, so it's new. Been a lot of work since the last time I rode you through the job site here. And up here on the right, contractor's working on putting in a driveway. That should be ready to pour tomorrow. Just past a bus pad and a porta can. Here we've got another piece of concrete that'll be poured tomorrow. Still have these transitions on the side. Got another flagman here, let's see, and he's pretty friendly. So here on the left, we still need to put some sidewalk. Still need curb over here. Contractor's putting in the storm sewer over here, and he's setting the forms. So that'll probably be poured tomorrow. So from this point up to where you see the barricades should all be poured in the next week. Now we're making the transition back onto the existing pavement because they had to switch sides. So the box storm sewer is actually on the left side here. And what you see in the front is another storm sewer tie-in and a big pile of cement stabilized sand. So let me see if I can drive around here. Okay, so I had to skip a couple of blocks. No big deal. I wasn't expecting that sand to be in the street. So we're back on Lower Copy. Now everything to the left has new storm sewer box in. That's why we're driving on the old part of the road. What'll happen is to the left here, they'll go ahead and finish putting the boxes in, pour concrete, and then they'll come back. And what we're driving on now, they'll excavate. It drops down about 2.5 to 3 feet in elevation, depending on where it's at. All the streets have a high point and a low point. The low point's where the inlets go. So we're crossing a major intersection here, and as you can see, nothing's been done on the right. Now over here on the left, we've got the driveways, we've got the new street in, the curbs in. They haven't dressed up behind the curb, between the curb and the sidewalk. But now if you look right here, this is the pond, and I've done a video on this before, and you can see they've got the fence up. So they'll lock that up and keep the four-wheelers out of there, and then they'll hydro mulch it and I'll shoot a video on that. So we come down here a little farther. We're passing up Lavender Street. We're about 3/4 of the way, and you can see these guys are dressing up, making it ready for grass, and doing a pretty good job too. They're moving right along. So everything on the left has a concrete curb, and I believe, we'll see when we get up here, but all the sidewalk and driveways in, everything's dressed up. Nothing's on the right has been touched yet. The only thing that goes in here is some small sewer pipes. But here we go. There's a bus pad here. Everything's dressed up, ready to go for grass. The grass should be out this week. And then we get to here. This driveway's in. It's just covered up, so it's the same elevation as the existing road. And now we're back here. They still haven't dressed this up. There's a bus stop right here, and then we have the electrical conduit guys out that are putting in the conduit. And as you can see, the poles are up for the lights. And that's going to do it for this update. And hopefully in the next couple weeks, I'll give you another update. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a few weeks.